Burn! Burn! Okay, it's time for another boat ride. We're taking another taste test from Yacht Club, Rhode Island's own soda. You know, you ever did that thing at the Patriots do, that loud run? That's what I think of when I think of boats from New England, is that run? So we're going to see if this is good, if this cream soda is cream of the crop or left in the crap. Of course, we're getting baseball back. 60 games is better than none. Here we go. It's going to be a shit show, but let's see. The 60 games in the regular season are going to be key. Any team that's worth its salt should get in the playoffs. That includes the Mets. And then I think the playoffs are going to be just one wild, crazy show. So we're going to have expanded playoffs. It's not a full season. It's a partial season. What can we expect? We'll see. Just like we'll see if this cream soda is good. Bang, dun, dun, dun. It's got a nice color, by the way. It's like a nice little golden brown. So this might be a pretty good cream. Dr. Brown is my favorite cream, by the way, just like their cherry is my favorite cherry. It's kind of an inconsistent flavor. I got kind of a strong cream taste at the first sip, and then it didn't follow through the rest of the way. It's not awful, but I wouldn't say it's great. I'm going to give this a 6.1.